guys, I'm back. I wish all my subscribers a very happy new year, though it's belated. But never mind, every day we can consider it as a new year day. I would like to say thank you to each and everyone who gave the overwhelming response and valuable feedback on my first video, and I truly appreciate it. Many of you have already seen previous video on unboxing Nokia 2.4, and this week I'm sharing my first impressions about display, software and camera. After spending a week with Nokia 2.4, I reviewed display, software and camera, and I thought it would be a nice idea to do a simple detailing of my observation on this device. I have already set up the device with necessary settings, sign up with Google, which was needed during initial boot up, and I also received December software update of Android 10 along with the security patch. Let me show you here. About phone, go to Android 10 and here. Android 10. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's get started to find out for yourself. During my stint with the phone, I found the display of the Nokia 2.4 quite crisp. The color accuracy is good, looking from any angles. Photos and videos look great on the display as I watched YouTube content in 720p format and I thoroughly enjoyed it. The blacks are not that deep but are still well controlled and makes it decent for the budget offerings. The Nokia 2.4 also supports HD videos on Netflix and Amazon Prime as well. Besides that, the phone adjusts well to ambient light. The display was sufficiently bright and vivid, even in dark mode and normal mode. Even in bright light conditions, the display remains suitably bright, and in the dark as well was good enough to be visible. Not too much bright to hurt your eyes, guys. Apart from that, you get various display options like night light, white balance. Here you can control, adjust the display's temperature, and of course grayscale. This is actually a part of Google's digital well-being feature. Overall, I will reserve my judgment on display in my final review. Talking about the software, the Nokia 2.4 runs on pure Android as the phone is a part of the Android One program, meaning the OS without any customization. There is no ads, bloatware on the phone, and user interface is pixel-like. And of course, since Nokia does not implement any custom UI or skin on it, you have seen many other brands. Nokia states that it is ready for Android 11 and beyond. So, you can look forward to 2 years of software upgrades and 3 years of monthly security patches. During the initial period of exploring this device, I have had absolutely no issues on the software end. Nokia does usually optimize the software experience on their phones, so I will have to spend a bit more time next week with the phone to find out if there are any software issues. It's a good time to have a look at the cameras. Nokia 2.4 comes with dual camera setup with 13 megapixel primary sensor with f-stop 2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for bokeh effects, while the selfie camera is a 5 megapixel with f-stop 2.4 aperture is a front-facing sensor. Nokia 2.4 is the first in the series to feature a dual camera powered by AI, brings advanced imaging features including portrait mode and a dedicated night mode. This time, Nokia Mobile focus on improving camera quality over Nokia 2.3, ensuring that you will get decent shots in an affordable phone. The camera interface is simple. Shutter release at the bottom. On the top of the camera UI, you get toggles for. I appreciate Nokia as they have brought differently styled watermarks that come with camera software, which allows you to tag your name and customize your taste. Talking about the image quality, The outdoor photos I clicked are from rear camera in the regular photo mode in auto HDR format. The phone can take satisfactory photos during the day with good amount of details in a well-lit environment, and I felt color production seems to be quite nice. There is a small boost in contrast, but sometimes it may give a natural look. Still, the HDR and auto HDR photos are pretty good. The dynamic range is just fine for the budget offering. I was quite amazed to see the photos in such light conditions are taken indoor from the rear camera in regular photo mode in same auto HDR format. For instance, with the statue, the colors looked quite accurate. The photo really pops out with nice details. While taken outdoor shots from the front 5 megapixel selfie camera, the selfies turned out good with lots of details. Natural skin tone was present. Saturation and noise was well under control. While the quality of the selfie taken indoor is just okay, the colors can sometimes look muted. So that is all for now. I will post more photos featuring portrait mode, night mode about the performance of phone, and I will share them. If you have any doubts, queries or comments, please do post. So until then, please wait for my next weekly video and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Cheers.